In today's video, we will be visiting Seminole County Fire Department Station 13. Over here is the old engine 13. I'm really trying to, oh my goodness, this thing's old. I are proof. There's a spider web. Hopefully I do not encounter a spider. Here's the old engine 13. The doors are open, that's why I visit. Here's rare. There's engine 13. Here's rare. Medic 14. Rare. Medic 14. Rare. Over here. Engine 13. It's 2016, I'm assuming. Giant engine. And then over here to my right is Medic 13, 2019 Ford 2019, Medic 13. Among us. Here is engine 13. Just walking around the firehouse. Thank you guys having so much fun in engine 13. Here's engine 13. Sorry, engine 13. And then he's all the other side. Oh my goodness, I almost hit the front of that one. There's rare. I've been saying rare too much. Rare. Medic 14. Then we have the historic. Engine 13. Which some reason it says spot. Over here is the laundry. So yeah, this is where the fuel comes. You know, when we go to the back. This is the laundry. Don't tell anyone. But yeah, I never got it. There were those giant spiders. Okay, I just encountered a spider. Anyways, Medic 14. Please notice the spider that I noticed on the old engine, which is known as engine spies. Oh my goodness. Medic. Oh my goodness, I just saw a fly. This is how that's what happens when you keep this inside a fire station and not on a parade. I'm just kind of exercising because Medic 14 is rare. Yes, rare. Medic 14. And yes, since the bays are bigger, what the world is going on there? What is that? What is going on to engine 13? Not even me. Now I'm just walking around Medic 14 because it's rare. We'll also be showcasing engine 13 as well. Yeah. Not the time where they get calls a lot. They'll get so many calls. Like, I once tried to get a close point and all you could see, ow, like it. Finally. Oh my goodness. The ambulance is about the size of the engine. I guess it's about the size of the engine. Like, look at this. Now, here where the train comes. Wow, it's been such a slow day today. Listen to this. It's been a slow day today. I wonder why I haven't got any calls. That's lit. No. There's no way. Oh my goodness. Engine 13 got into a crash. Engine 13 got into a crash. The one thing that hasn't gotten a crash, I've been filming for about a year or two, got into a real crash. I've seen all the Station 13 videos. How on earth did they get in a crash? That's impossible. I can't even. Yep, I'm filming this at night. So, this is the engine 13 as well. Now it looks like I got to go. And is our team. Remember, guy in the cross. So like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit notification bell so I know get the Goodbye.